Greetings and welcome to this short tutorial where in it I want to demonstrate how you can upload thumbnails to any of the videos that you're going to be publishing on LinkedIn. Now we all know what a thumbnail is. You see them on YouTube all the time. It's basically your invitation to get somebody to stop, look, listen and watch whatever it is that you're offering or whatever it is that you've been doing. Now something that you should be aware of is I work on a Mac, so some of the button layouts are going to be different on a Windows platform. The second thing to be aware of is what I'm going to show you today cannot be done on a mobile phone. It has to be done on a desktop or a laptop. And the third thing to be aware of is that I think we can all agree LinkedIn as a platform is absolute dog shit. So whatever thumbnail you're going to be committing to today, that is on for life. Unlike any other platform, you cannot change it if things change in the business or your own personal life. So the first thing that you need to do is navigate to your home page and then identify this button here called video and press it. It then takes you to this dialog box where you're going to select where your video is on your computer. You then want to navigate to whereabouts the video is stored and select it, at which point you are given this dialog box. Now, if you just hit next, it will take you to the area on LinkedIn where you can publish, you can write your blurb and hit post. You do not want to do that because, as you can see, you've got a black screen of death here and your video will be published on your timeline like that, with no thumbnail. And it looks amateurish. So we're back at this dialog box here now. The first thing you want to look at is the captions button. I would always recommend you switch that off. You then hit apply and you come back to this dialog box. Right, this one here is the video thumbnail. This is what the video is all about. Click that. At this point, you click add video thumbnail. Navigate to where you are holding your thumbnail. Remember, you need to design this thumbnail on Photoshop or Canva or whatever system you use. Hit add. And now this is what it looks like. This is a preview. So when people are scrolling your feed on LinkedIn, they can clearly see what the video is about. It looks interesting. You want them to press play. Now that you're happy with the thumbnail, hit next. It takes you to the dialog box here, and all you have to do is hit schedule for later or hit post. So I hope you found this tutorial interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please get in touch and leave them below. As always, I am super conscientious and I will reply to everyone. Have a great day. Thanks.